Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this super lightweight glam makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to my channel.
Like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it.
So the first thing that I always do is I go in with my Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my eyelid as a primer. And then I always blend it in with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder, and that just makes blending eyeshadows a little bit easier. For the palette, I went in with Baby Got Peach palette from Colourpop. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I've used this palette a ton of times and I really love it. I'll leave a link in the description box down below if you guys want to check it out. The first shade that I went in with is this really light beige shade, and I just put that in my crease, just going in back and forth motions and circular motions. And this is pretty much going to be the background before I go in with darker eyeshadows. Next, I went in with the shade Half Baked and a defined angled brush, and I just put that in my crease, mapping out where I want to add the definition. And it does look a little bit harsh at first with the angled brush, but I always go in and blend it out. I went back into the first transition shade that we used, and I just put that in my crease, just going in circular motions and back and forth motions just to get it nice and blended. And then going in with that same concealer that I used to prime my eyelid, I just pretty much cleaned up my lid, and then I set it in place with translucent powder. And then on my lid, I went in with this pressed glitter. And I didn't use glitter glue because it does have a tacky texture that does stick to the eyelid, but I would recommend just starting with a little bit on your brush and then building it up as you go. And then for lashes, I went in with the Tati lashes in the style number 10. And I did want to keep this look super light, so all I did on the lower lash line was apply some mascara. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
The text on XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take your way up with a jet go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now.